What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the BTC US dollar pair. We did break out from this descending wedge to the upside. I did tell you that we're going to see huge resistance at the $53,700 range. And look, now we are just hitting this resistance area. It is the moment of truth. I'm going to show you a bullish pattern that has broken out, and we should see the $55,500 area. And also, we are checking the Ethereum US dollar pair. It is going to be extremely bullish also if we break this pattern to the upside that I'm going to show you in today's episode. And if you're interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. I've got links in the description. So if you use Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit, guys. You deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $1,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. All of this in today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, checking out the 1 hourly chart. If you watched yesterday's video, I did mention this descending wedge potentially breaking to the upside, and first target would be the $53,700 range, where I have this blue horizontal line, which is huge resistance. Like I mentioned here in the past, we did have a huge amount of support, like I showed you right here. I'll show you with the arrows. So there's support there, support here, support right here also. And also if I look at the VPVR that I showed you on yesterday, well, these last couple of days, because I told you if we broke to the downside, we would fall directly to the $51,500 range. And now this is going to be huge resistance, guys, as you can see here. Let me just show you this huge wall of money where I have this blue horizontal line. This is where we are hitting right now. The Bitcoin price is hitting right there. So it is the moment of truth to see if we can break above these levels with a great amount of volume. This means, in my opinion, that the correction has finished in the short term, and we are going to go to the upside from here. Let me show you also this pattern over here. Let me just get the VPVR out of the way and get the 15-minute chart. I want to show you also inside of this descending wedge. Okay, this was the pattern that I showed you in the emergency video yesterday. It was time for the bulls to let the bears know that they're in control in this bull market. So let me just show you this pattern also that has broken to the upside. And this is an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, as you can see right here. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. If we go to the 1 hourly chart, you will see it a little bit more clear. As you can see, there's an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and we've broken to the upside. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, okay, and the right shoulder. Okay, we can see the neckline perfectly. We've been hitting the neckline, and we've broken the neckline to the upside. If I go to the 15-minute chart also, you will clearly see the bounces that we've had. This is on the 15-minute chart. Look how we broke above it, and we've had a bounce here on the neckline, and we went straight back up. Okay, the measured move from the breakout of this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, from the breakout, okay, supposedly if we manage to break this resistance where we're hitting right now, this should take us all the way to the $55,000 range. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm expecting for the BTC US dollar pair. Next resistance after breaking this blue horizontal line would be the $55,500 range, okay, which is right over here. As you can see, it's been major support and resistance in the past, so we might struggle once we hit the target. If we manage to get above this blue horizontal line, guys, we might get rejected here and come back to the downside. But we've broken out from this descending wedge, which is bullish. The measured target would be the $57,000 range. Also, this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, we've broken to the upside. We should meet the $55,000 range also, guys. So once we break this huge amount of volume, this blue horizontal line, I think it is going to be very bullish. We're going to start climbing to the upside, in my opinion. So the next resistance before meeting the target of the descending wedge is this resistance right here. It's been support, it's been resistance. So we should crash here, or we should have a consolidation phase just before we get to the $57,000 range, in my opinion, guys. if we break this blue horizontal line, the movement that I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price is to come all the way up here, probably have a bounce here, and then continue to the upside. Okay, guys, this is the technical analysis that I have for you guys for the BTC US dollar pair. Let's take a look at Ethereum. All right, guys, checking the 1 hourly chart here for the Ethereum US dollar pair. I showed you this symmetrical triangle already met the target here from the breakout, as you can see. And usually when you meet the target, well, to continue that trend is usually hard. You usually have a reversal. So now we're just having a reversal, and we might turn bullish if we break these levels that I'm going to show you right now. Potentially, we are forming a descending broadening wedge, guys, as you can see here. All right, and this is extremely bullish. So the measured move would be getting the width, okay, of the descending broadening wedge. And from the breakout, if we break out in between today and tomorrow, say around about this area, this could take us all the way to the $1,780 range, okay? And this also might coincidence with the bottom of this symmetrical triangle, as you can see, the support area. So if we break from there, you know, maybe the measured move is a little bit more. So if we break around this area, okay, this would take us all the way up to the bottom of the symmetrical triangle here, as you can see. So expect this. If we break, this is also resistance area, like I showed you here, just right there. Let me just get the arrows so you can see the support and the resistance area. We can see that's heavy support right there once we broke above it, and heavy support here once we broke below this support area right there. So if we break above this, it is very, very likely that we'll break this resistance area, okay? And next stop would be this resistance area right there. But I do believe that we'll break this easily and then come back up here. Even though I think it will break easily just because of this pattern, it is huge support, as you can see here. As you can see right there, huge support. All right, so it's not going to be that easy to break this resistance area. But if we break this one, it is almost kind of guaranteed. If we break the $1,650 range, that we're going to come all the way to the 1,725 range right over there. So I'm expecting if we break this area, coming all the way up here, probably having a little bit of a rejection, but then kind of breaking it to retest almost the $1,800 range, which would be the lower part here from the symmetrical triangle, the support area, guys. This is what I got for the Ethereum US dollar pair, guys. This is going to be it for today's episode. Quick update, guys, on the technical analysis. If you're interested in training, guys, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you're going to deposit. You deposit $2,000, you will get $1,000 on top of that, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out, guys. And this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely, and also with the latest technical analysis and news out here. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of the website so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my tutorial of the Bybit leverage trading platform, a video popping up on your screen, a massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.